If you're dealing with an x.com or Twitter login error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can help you get back into your account fast. These steps are simple, effective, and worth trying one by one until the login issue is resolved. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, try logging in through your web browser instead of the app. Sometimes the app can run into temporary glitches, while the browser version gives you a cleaner sign-in experience. Open your browser, go to x.com, and enter your login details there. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. On most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then clear them completely. This can remove corrupted login data that may be causing the error. After that, try switching your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and attempt to log in using your mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, do the opposite and switch to Wi-Fi. Sometimes the login issue is caused by your network connection, so changing it can make a big difference. And finally, if you have a VPN turned on, disable it before trying again. XCOM can sometimes block or limit logins from VPN connections, so turning it off may solve the problem immediately. Once you've gone through these steps, try logging in again and see if the error is gone. These fixes are quick, practical, and often enough to get you back into your account without any extra trouble. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more helpful tutorials on the channel.